If you've ever been curious about accent softening at London Speech Workshop or what the Serlin method is, then this little video is here to help you understand what we do. So firstly, many of our clients are non-native English speakers who are fluent in English, very successful in their work, and have been here anything from 1 to 20 plus years. And what they've found is that while they've made London and England and Britain their home, the language in some way doesn't fully feel like their friend. Sometimes it can feel like a bumpy landscape where they could just get tripped up. And what we do is really about alleviating that sense of unknowingness or uncertainty with the language. So we have 3 specific steps that we take. Firstly, we look at every single sound of neutral spoken English and essentially give our clients a roadmap that shows them exactly which sounds are holding on to their accent and leading to any kind of confusion or misunderstanding. Secondly, we'll do work on the sounds that need work. So this could be, particularly with vowel sounds, they're often the culprit that can get in the way. So this will be issues around getting the position right. There'll be around confusion between short and long sounds, so really clarifying the length. And finally, spellings. So the spellings, the letters that represent those sounds will often be unexpected, and very few people actually consciously know what they are. So we go through and we teach it very systematically. The third really important step is around recreating the melody and intonation of neutral English speech. And it's that is the level that goes deeper into what we do. It's really around supporting our clients to fully inhabit the language and to feel an ownership over it. And what we find as our result is that our clients no longer feel this sense of uncertainty or that they could get tripped up. There's actually a sense of full confidence and being able to inhabit the language as if it's a landscape they're totally familiar and feel very, very safe in. And that, of course, leads to all manner of opportunities opening up, from promotions through to social ease and confidence through to presentations and public speaking. So if you're interested, book a taster today. That's the best way to find out. Thank you.